Hi everybody, Paul here from Hill Country Rings. If you're having problems with your internet, if you've got dead spots in your home, or you got some place in your house that's a little too far away from your router and you can't get wireless service, and you've got a single wireless router like this, you might step up to a system that has a couple of these. This is part of what's called a mesh wireless network system, and think of this as a system that would have multiple routers throughout your house that all talk together, so you can get wireless from one end of the house to the other. And these little guys talk to each other, and they talk to your phone or your laptop or whatever you have that's wireless, and they connect to it. Whichever one's of these is closest to it will connect to it, and then they talk to each other and give the wireless signal back to your provider. So you can get wireless all through your house, and you can buy the whole thing in a kit. This is the TP-Link Deco 1800. It's not the newest, latest, greatest, but it's about 120 bucks. And you can buy it at Amazon or Walmart or Target, and set it up pretty easy. And once you set this guy up, you set one of these little routers will replace your old router, and then you set other ones of these throughout your house, maybe on each end of the house, and then you can eliminate dead spots. Now, this is one of the mesh network router units, and in the kit that I've got, you get 3 of these. One is the main router that hooks up to the internet, to the wired connection, and then 2 satellite units that you put around your house, and that gives you greater range. And these are really nice. They're pretty sleek. There's no ugly antennas. It looks basically like an Alexa, but a lot shorter. And you can really set these things anywhere, and they look pretty good. It's kind of about the size of a soup can. So it's really not too obtrusive. But you need to put these kind of in the corners of your house so that you can get good coverage everywhere, and that way you get no more dead spots. This is the TP-Link Deco 1800. AX1800. It's not the latest greatest. This thing's probably been around for about 5 years, but it's pretty inexpensive. You can get it for a pretty good bargain, and it's got great coverage. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you what's in the box at least. Alright, gotta erase that. Alright, and that. So we got, that's one of our routers, and this will be, one of these will be the main router, which take the place of your existing router. And then we got 2 others that we can put throughout the house to give us a lot better wireless coverage. Now we also have a just a Ethernet cable, and then the little power supplies and cables. Now that's really all that's in the box, but to set this up we're gonna have to download the TP-Link application, the app, on our phone, and set up an account. And most new routers, it seems like they're going that way. So on your phone, go to the App Store and look up TP-Link, and there's the TP-Link Deco from TP-Link Systems Incorporated. Make sure you get the right app. Just go ahead and get that app and let it download to your phone. And just go ahead and say you want to install it, and it will install. Now once it's downloaded, we got to go ahead and open it up and set up an account. So we'll do that. Continue. Have to accept it and continue. Allow. Create a TP-Link ID. and we set up a password. And after we set up our password, we accept the privacy in terms of use. I don't think I'm going to subscribe to the TP-Link newsletter though. Alright. And then an email gets sent to you, and then you just follow the link on that. It's going to ask if you want to save our password. Go ahead and save it if you want to. And maybe we'll do this two-step verification later. Okay. Alright, so now we need to plug in our deco and wait till the LED pulses blue. So we're going to take one of these and we're going to plug him in and just make sure that he actually activates. So we plugged him in, and he has a little light right here on the other side. He's yellow. It'll take about a minute or so. And now he's pulsing blue. So he's go ahead and say let's begin. Allow him to find Bluetooth devices. We'll say allow. Deco wants to join Wi-Fi network, so we say okay, we join it. And you give this a couple of minutes. It takes about a minute or two to turn blue and a minute for it to find it. So now we want to set him up. So now we're going to go and we're going to connect him to the modem. Alright, we just plug in the Ethernet from the wall into the deco. Either one of these ports. And we're flashing blue. And on the app, we hit we'll continue, restart our modem, and we're going to have to go outside to do that because my modem is actually outside. Alright, now we just hit the modem restarted. And we say we're replacing it, and I'm just going to say I'm placing it in the family room. And now it's detecting the internet. And now we want dynamic IP, that's fine. We would put in our network name and our SSID. And we hit next. And now it's creating the network. I would say it's good to use the same SSID and password that you had for your old wireless. That way you don't have to change it from all your devices. Now just say join. And now it's online. And this one now has a solid green light. So he's good. Yay! Now we just set up the other satellite units. Now I'm setting up my second deco unit in a windowsill that overlooks my shop, so I can get a lot better coverage out to my shop, because it's been a real problem. So we basically set him there, plug him in, and let him get found. Alright, that second device popped up, and now we just click on him. Says everything looks good. We click on him and device info. He looks good. He looks good. Now let's go set up the other one. And we're setting the third one up in the office. So just plug him in, set him in place, and wait for him to update and turn green, and then he'll be good. And now he shows up. So now we're all set up. Okay, now 9 connections to the family room, the central device, and 8 to the one that's in the window, and 6 to the one that's here in the office. So the system is kind of balancing itself out. The devices are rerouting to the deco that they see that's closest to them, and now it's more balanced system. Now if I don't want to name these, I can just click on that one that's here in the office. Click on this little, looks like a little pencil here. And I can say where he is. He is in the office. So now I know which one's which. And I'll do the same thing for this one. And I hit the little pencil. And he is actually, I'm just going to say he's in the hallway. Now my shop is about 50 feet from the house. And I've got that mesh router device in the window there. And before, I wasn't getting really any good wireless here in my shop at all. And now I can watch my favorite YouTubers out here in the shop. Got really good connection. I got my Avalon 3 Bitcoin miner going and blowing some nice warm air. So I'm really got lots of coverage. Before I was getting about less than a meg of wireless out here, if at all. I did have an extender and I could get about 4 meg out here, but with that, it was on a different network, so it actually goes in one network and has to create another network, so it's kind of a pain. But now it's all on one network. I can see my devices here. I'm going to put some security devices out here, and that's another reason to have uniform coverage out here in my shop, so I could look at cameras or smoke detector and all that kind of stuff on my network, and I have to jump from network to network. So I'm really pleased with it. I'm really happy with it, and having good coverage from one end of the house to the other, including my shop, that was really why I did this. So that's the TP-Link Deco AX1800 mesh network system. It's a budget system. It's got some good features. It's dual band. It's got 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz. You can prioritize some of your wireless devices like television or game system. You can set up a guest network. You can set up an IoT or Internet of Things network for like wireless switches, or Alexa, or any of these other light controllers and cameras. You can have a wireless or wired backhaul, and that's where the devices that are remote, that are in the corners of your house, they can talk wireless to the main router, like I set it up, which is the easiest way. Or if you've got Ethernet cable to your house, you can have direct Ethernet cable back, which would be faster, but it's more of a pain to do that. And it was a budget. It was about 120 bucks for the whole kit. It's not the best or the newest model of the mesh routers. I mean, like you got the Netgear Orbi, or the Asus Zen Wi-Fi, the BT10, or even the Link Deco BE67, a lot newer version of something like this. But you're going to spend a lot more money. And I just want to do this on a budget. I'm not a gamer. I'm not a huge internet user, so this met my needs for working at my shop and watching my YouTubes out there in the shop. And that's what I do. I like to be out in my shop making rings. If you'd like to look at rings from Heritage and Legacy Woods, check out hillcountryrings.com. I do all custom work, and love to make rings from the decks of battleships, from the stocks of M1 Garands, from Major League Baseball bats. Just check it out, and in the meantime, I'd love to make a ring for you. Thanks, everybody.